it's happening and it's real. It's real. I've experienced this multiple times. Lisa, I really appreciate it. And obviously, a lot of youths are looking for ways to grow themselves, and a lot of youths are looking for ways to improve themselves so they can impact the society positively, which is the goal, which is the main aim for every individual in the society to give back to the society and help grow our country. And so that is why I feel like the trust between police and the youth will actually be stronger than any other thing in this country. Because that's the first step to making sure that crime rate drops. That's the community policing will work when there's trust. I feel like that trust should actually be built.
You guys come back.